When looking for a used car, reliability is one of the most crucial factors to consider. A reliable car prevents unexpected costs and mechanical issues that can quickly become exhausting. With thousands of car models available on the used market, it can be challenging to make an informed choice. In this article, we present a selection of the 20 most reliable used cars, based on criteria such as durability, performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance costs. Whether you're looking for a sedan, a city car, or an SUV, these vehicles are not only known for their reliability but also offer excellent value for money. 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla has been a classic in the used car market for decades. This model is synonymous with reliability and durability. The Corolla enjoys an excellent reputation for fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. These cars can easily last for hundreds of thousands of miles when properly maintained. 2. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is another ultra-reliable used car. This Japanese model is known for its robustness and low fuel consumption. Honda engines are built to last, and the Civic is often cited as one of the best daily use cars. Its low maintenance costs also make it an excellent long-term choice. 3. Lexus RX. If you're looking for a used SUV, the Lexus RX is an option to consider. This high-end SUV is based on the Toyota Highlander platform, which ensures its reliability. The RX is also appreciated for its comfort, safety, and excellent build quality. It is often recommended for families looking for a spacious and reliable vehicle. 4. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is another reliable vehicle, particularly popular for its driving qualities and sleek design. This model is known for its toughness and excellent value for money. Mazda cars are known for their longevity, and the Mazda 3 is no exception. 5. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is an essential choice if you're looking for a reliable used sedan. It combines comfort, safety, and excellent engine performance. Its reputation for reliability makes it a popular choice among drivers seeking a long-term vehicle with low maintenance costs. 6. Subaru Outback. If you need a reliable off-road vehicle, the Subaru Outback is one of the best options. This model comes with all-wheel drive as standard and is renowned for its ability to navigate difficult conditions while remaining extremely reliable over time. The Subaru Outback is also known for its longevity and wear resistance. 7. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is another extremely reliable used sedan. This model is appreciated for its driving comfort, performance, and low fuel consumption. The Accord is built to last, making it an excellent option if you're looking for a quality car with minimal risk of breakdowns. 8. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius is one of the best hybrid cars on the used market. With its proven hybrid technology, it offers excellent fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. The Prius is also known for its reliability, comfort, and low CO2 emissions. 9. Ford F-150. If you need a reliable truck, the Ford F-150 is a solid choice. This model is one of the most sold and reliable pickups on the used market. It combines power, durability, and excellent driving comfort. The F-150 is often recommended for people needing a robust vehicle for heavy-duty tasks. 10. Chevrolet Impala. The Chevrolet Impala is a large sedan with excellent value for money on the used market. This model is known for its durability and ability to cover long distances without major mechanical issues. It's a great choice if you're looking for a comfortable and reliable car at an affordable price. 11. Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima is an elegant and reliable sedan that offers excellent fuel economy and great driving comfort. This model is known for its long-term reliability and low maintenance costs. It's often listed among the best options for drivers seeking an affordable and durable used car. 12. Hyundai Elantra. The Hyundai Elantra is a reliable compact car often chosen for its reliability, comfort, and low maintenance costs. This model is an excellent choice if you're looking for an affordable used car that doesn't compromise on quality and longevity. 13. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a midsize SUV frequently cited among the most reliable vehicles on the used market. It offers excellent towing capacity, great comfort, and unmatched reliability. The Highlander is also known for its low maintenance costs. 14. BMW 3 Series. If you're looking for a reliable luxury car, the BMW 3 Series is an option to consider. This model offers exceptional performance, unmatched driving comfort, and excellent long-term reliability. BMW engines are built to last, and the 3 Series is one of the most durable luxury cars on the used market. 15. Volkswagen Golf. The Volkswagen Golf is a popular choice among used cars due to its reliability, comfort, and low fuel consumption. This model is also appreciated for its pleasant driving experience and modern design. The Golf is one of the most popular vehicles in the world, largely due to its durability. 16. Audi A4. The Audi A4 is a compact luxury car that combines performance, comfort, and reliability. This model is particularly appreciated for its advanced technologies and build quality. The Audi A4 is often cited as one of the most reliable luxury cars, especially if well maintained. 17. Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a reliable SUV that offers excellent value for money. This model is appreciated for its great towing capacity, comfort, and durability. The Sorento is also known for its low maintenance costs and longevity. 18. Volvo XC90. The Volvo XC90 is a high-end SUV known for its safety and reliability. This model combines comfort, performance, and robustness. The XC90 is also very spacious, making it an excellent choice for families looking for a reliable long-term vehicle. 19. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a compact SUV that offers an excellent combination of comfort, performance, and reliability. This model is appreciated for its pleasant driving experience and modern design. The CX-5 is also known for its durability and low maintenance costs. 20. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of the most reliable SUVs on the used market. This model is particularly appreciated for its smooth driving, great cargo capacity, and excellent value for money. The CR-V is an ideal option for those seeking a practical, reliable, and durable SUV. Choosing a reliable used car is essential to avoid mechanical issues and unexpected costs. The models mentioned in this list are among the best options in terms of durability, performance, and low maintenance costs. Whether you're looking for a city car, a sedan, or an SUV, these vehicles will provide you with a smooth and hassle-free driving experience. By choosing one of these cars, you can be confident that you're making a great investment in the used car market. Don't forget to always check the vehicle's maintenance history before making a decision and have it inspected by a professional to ensure its reliability.